Hi guys, in the practice quiz, advice for applying machine learning. We will try question 1 in the context of machine learning. What is a diagnostic? A diagnostic, it is a test that you run to gain insight into what is or isn't working a learning algorithm. This is the correct answer. Second question, true or false? It is always true. Does the better an algorithm does on the training set, the better it will do on generalizing to new data. This is false. Not training set, but must be on the test set. Then this statement is false. Model selection, it's choosing a neural network architecture. For classification task, suppose you train 3 different models using 3 different neural network architecture. Which data do you use to evaluate the 3 models? You use the cross validation set. This is Z for the best one, and I will submit with you. Well, graduation and pass. Thank you.